Hello and welcome to the 292nd edition of the Shulini TV News Bulletin. Coming to you from our scenic and energetic campus, I'm Aishani and here are the top stories making headlines this week. Shulini Professor Dr. Sadanand Pandey ranked among top global scholars by US-based Scholar GPS. Australian University delegation visits Shulini to strengthen global academic collaboration. Principals Conclave organized at Camera aimed at new vision for school education. National Mathematics Day celebrated with Vedic Maths. We begin with a moment of immense pride for Shulini University as one of its distinguished faculty members receives global recognition for academic excellence. Here's Weber with the details.
Shulini University professor Dr. Sadanand Pandey has been recognized as a highly ranked scholar by Scholar GPS, a prestigious scholarly analytics platform based in California, USA. This elite recognition by Scholar GPS places Dr. Pandey among the top 0.05% of researchers globally, acknowledging his exceptional scholarly impact and research contributions. Dr. Pandey holds a global rank of 3,217 across all academic fields, with a ranking based on the lifetime scholarly contributions and overall research influence. Chancellor Professor P.K. Khosla, Pro-Chancellor Mr. Vishal Anand, and Vice Chancellor Professor Atul Khosla, among others, have congratulated Professor Pandey for his achievement. Scholar GPS is built by scholars and made accessible to all, ensuring transparency and accuracy in evaluating scholarly performance across all the disciplines. Such international recognition further strengthens Shulini University's reputation as a leading research-driven institution on the global academic map.
That you should also be focused on the research, try to focus more and more on the research and try to develop a love and affection toward the research in order to achieve your goal.
Dr. Pandey's achievement stand as an inspiration for researchers and students alike, reinforcing Shulini University's mission to advance impactful research with global relevance.
From academic excellence to international collaboration, Shulini University continues to strengthen its global partnerships. Here's Gurudeep with the report.
Shulini University hosted a delegation from Victoria University, Australia, led by Mr. Andrew Francis Hill, Deputy Vice Chancellor Research and Impact, marking a significant step towards expanding international academic and research collaboration. The delegation was led by Mr. Andrew Francis Hill, Deputy Vice Chancellor for Research and Impact at Victoria University, and the visit was coordinated by the Office of International Affairs, Shulini University. During the session, detailed presentation highlighted Shulini University's research strength, academic achievements, and global rankings. Mr. Hill shared insights into Victoria University's research priorities and international engagement goals. Discussions focused on opportunities for joint research projects, faculty collaborations, student mobility, and long-term academic partnerships. The visit reinforced Shulini University's commitment to building strong international partnerships and advancing collaborative research with leading global institutions. Back to you, Ashani.
Thanks, Gurudeep. Now, an important step towards transforming school education through research and innovation, Shulini University organized a Principals Conclave in Kamra, bringing together educational leaders from across the district. Here's Ria with the report.
Shulini University organized a Principal Conclave seminar in Kangra, aimed at strengthening research culture at the school level and encouraging scientific thinking among students. The conclave witnesses participation from principals and the directors of over 35 schools from across the district. The seminar focused on reimagining education through research-based learning. The initiatives as part of Shulini University ongoing efforts to connect schools with higher education institutions and promote innovation-driven education. The chief guest Professor Dinkar Burathoki, retired director of higher education, highlighted the importance of nurturing research aptitude from an earlier stage. He was honored with the Lifetime Achievement Award by the university, while participating school principals were confirmed the Siksha Bhushan Award for their dedication to their educational sector. Addressing the conclave virtual, Shule University Chancellor Professor P.K. Khosla reflected on the institutional journey and emphasized the innovation, hard work, and thinking beyond convocational paths are the key to achieve excellence in education. The conclave began with a welcome address by Outreach Advisor Mr. Chandramohan Sharma, an engaging session led by Director, Quality and Ranking Dr. Varsha Patel showcased Shule University academic journey and global standing. Further, Dean Research and Development Professor Pradeep Singh conducted a detailed session on promoting research culture in school, highlighting how students can be guided towards innovation, patents, and scientific inquiry. The program concluded with a vote of thanks by Outreach Manager Mr. Leeladhar. Shri University has been conducted such principals conclave since 2023 across the district including Mandi, Bilaspur, Hamirpur, Kullu, Shimla, Solan and now Kangra. The initiative aims to empower schools with research support, laboratory access and workshop encouraging students to think beyond traditional career paths. Back to you Ishani.
Shurini University marked National Mathematics Day with an engaging academic initiative that blended tradition with modern learning. Here are the details with Tanisha.
On the occasion of National Mathematics Day, the Yogananda School of AI, Computer and Data Sciences organized an online webinar titled Playing with Numbers Through Vedic Mathematics. The session was delivered by Dr. Pankaj Kumar, Associate Professor at the Central University of Dharamshala, who explained the 16 Sutras of Vedic mathematics, reflecting the legacy of Srinivasam Ramanujam. Prior to the webinar, an online mathematics quiz titled Ganit Uday was conducted, witnessing enthusiastic participation from 60 students across various departments. The interactive session reinforced the importance of mathematics in education and well received by both students and faculty members. The organizing team expressed gratitude to Dr. Neeraj Kangotra, Mr. Manish and Mr. Chandan for their support in successfully conducting the quiz and the webinar. Back to you, Ashani.
And now before wrapping up, it is time to tune into Radio Shulini. Here's RJ Tanisha with the latest scoop on what is coming up on your favorite campus radio station.
Hi guys, I hope you all are doing good. I'm Tanisha and I will be briefing you about the shows you can enjoy on Radio Shulini. This include Devniti by RJ Dovesh, Fear of Missing Out by RJ Vaibhav, Healthy Batein by RJ Ayushi. So don't forget to tune into Radio Shulini, Awaaz Wadiyon Ki.
And that brings us to the end of today's bulletin. For more stories, updates and campus events, stay tuned to Shulini TV. Thank you for watching. See you next Friday for more updates.